ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯦꯃꯣ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯄꯦꯄꯔ 1ꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠ 7 ꯗꯦꯇꯥ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯅꯩꯅꯒꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯇ ꯗꯦꯇꯥ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠꯁꯤ ꯃꯦꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯂꯤꯡꯛ ꯂꯩꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯤꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯎꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗꯀꯣ ꯒꯤꯞ ꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯤꯂꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦꯀꯣ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯤ ꯎꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯟꯁꯔ ꯁꯣꯜꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯂꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯆꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯟꯁꯔ ꯇꯥꯗꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯃꯥꯡꯈꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯕꯠ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯣꯅꯦꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ MYSꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯕꯦꯠꯁ 5-6 ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒꯀꯣ ꯗꯇꯥ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯛꯑ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯃꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯗꯕꯦꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯀꯟꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯗꯇꯥ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯚꯃꯦꯟ ꯐꯅꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ 5ꯗ 3 ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯦ 5 ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯤꯗꯕꯦꯛ ꯐꯪꯅꯩꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯍꯣꯞ ꯗꯦꯠ ꯗꯤꯁ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯑꯣꯜꯁꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯗꯦꯃꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯕꯦꯁꯤꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯗꯇꯥ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯆ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯦꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯦꯊꯃꯦꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯔꯤꯖꯅꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯗꯇꯥ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝ ꯅꯛꯁꯤꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯇꯧꯋꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯗꯦꯃꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯗꯇꯥ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯆ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯇꯧꯁꯤ ꯃꯦꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯀꯟꯁꯦꯞ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯗꯦꯇꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯆꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯧꯔꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯏज ꯏꯠ ꯑꯣꯜ audible to all of you clearly fazana khonjel sengna tabra tadabra adu matang khangni ko so somebody please respond tare ko okay so mayam screen share tawge ko screen share amuktang ubra udaba du samata yenga koi site confirmation du piraw ko all right so is the screen visible at your device all of you ureko okay so let's focus here focus tawsiko data interpretation haibasi aikoigi some numbers ka numbers the base of question hoyni ko the some group of numbers hai tare so group of numbers se koina actually sida sinner se some basic approach khara changani sida basic approach sida samna hayabda aikoigi maths ki topic khara hai tare ko average topic kumba then percentage ko then unitary method मैम मयक से सेंगना उद्रगदे हाबिरोको सो उरगबुदि यारे मयक से सेंगना उफम थोएको so percentage average unitary method then ratio ko sini main oiba aikoina data interpretation method apply tawgudoriba concept hairagade ko so sige se aikoina sinnaba haibam changi apply tawrini you are applying this concepts in the question okay similar ko so data interpretation haibasi sida makhal mayam su leiko kari makhal haibda pie chart ki types leiko graph chule bar graph su leiko data table haina su leiba okay data table se table ki format ta sumaina khar pe ko hum se do su dum yeng mayam table ki format ta some data group of data khar present tawrkhani ko alda piriba data asi makhada question khala follow tawgani question manga lakani ko question manga se hojik table si piriba data se sizinaraga akoina solve tawdoineba ko sile data table hai se so in the recent times since the last 5-6 years so akoina net exam se thengna padagi ko ngasi foba data table the base tawa question khakta hangi ko sini hai se only this type of question is being asked in the exam. Sigi data table gi. But doesn't mean this is the only type of question. Si khakta natte hai bago. Atopa type of question ju lay karino haibda pie chart, line chart, bar chart ko. Pie chart sina samina circular form da ekoi gi sina 20 degree gi kanom represent tawani 40 degree 70 degree samina ko. Adu gi basis ta question kara pirakani adu solve to hanba. Line chart na samina tawai ko. Line ji samina plot tawani ba. Okay, bar chart मैम खंगना रंगनी चुमेना को. Okay, so these are the different types of data. Okay, so data से any type of data हो जैसे नो अगर इन की percentage से high रहा average की concept से खंगवा unitary method से apply तो गम्मवा ratio and proportion खंगवा अरे basic plus minus multiplication division से खंगवा गरे you just need to do the practice. Okay, सिगी topic अहो मरी से it is one of the easiest topics in the mathematics. Arithmetic the quite right topic manta challe hai tare ko. Si kaishu am lu deba ko. You don't need the formulas. Hardly 3-4 formulas khatan follow tagone ko. Everything else is just common sense and calculation mistake o hindaba ko. Aduni main hoina. Ekoi na data interpretation de apply ta orse. Okay ma'am, sorry for follow ta ribra. Please give your response. I want to see. Okay, Loibi Lema, Piari, and others. All right. Ado yam nungai ba mako data interpretation hai but sigi unit se. Ai koi gi soccer oina chhatra sing da oe ko. Kai damak tano hai bada exam se koi na question 50 ne ko. 1 to 50 ne ba question se. Paper 1 gi. Okay. Out of the 50 questions, in most of the cases, koi na exam gi question se aho ba question 1 day 5 ho se di question pm one. Okay, sineba then experience mana ma se phadana preparation tawraga exam thaba chachare ko the magi mentality se sineba I am fully prepared for the exam haiba se sida nebule se. Okay, sigi se wait. Okay, sida but suddenly what happens data interpretation sida fear oiba panic oiba experience oi taraga deko kai to ni question 1 sina headshot to greba ko ego ye hojikan PUBG ke gayam sane ko the headshot have ji no it means first question sina you are already defeated have ko but if you are having the fear of data interpretation aina haning ni si kai no hoida data interpretation gi ki belai taraga de forget it now ka thok se ko matam khara gi and try to follow what is being taught in this course ekoi course ta koi tutor singna mainly aina tak tare ko so aina tak no hoida piriba guidance to so please try to follow this for some time, okay, and see if you are able to get the improvement. Okay, then I am sure further follow tauta agadi koi ki karisha improvement laigani have done ko then your fear will be reduced to a very large extent. Okay, and you can manage the fear. So in the okay, I data interpretation si ingonda aki badi le ramago se hojikti remove tawkre but matam save tawnai damakta 1 to 5 se kona mak lake 6 tagi 50 ho je hana swap to thoge hana sida chat khragne approach ena swena ayam len ningonda high ko experiencing da. So once you complete this saving matam save tawra kanda last ta data interpretation si gyan ta nai koina ingna wakhan ji khandaraga swap to ya ko then you will get all the answers correct, at least 3-4 correct out of 5 chini ko ikoi ki pandam se. So with this now let's start learning yare ko. So we should avoid this situation. See situation going to avoid on a whole of yeah, come here. Now kai sangani data interpretation da koina addition, subtraction, plus minus haveniko multiplication, division simadi ma'am school level they tamnarakpa khangna ngaktaniko si khangdragadi you I cannot help. Okay, so this is basic stuff everybody should know. Then next arithmetic skills ko sida ina ratio high kri ahan bada average tani suba harta percentage fraction so kara apply to bi tawdra so dum ekoina follow sigi se handle to bi ko. So sida percentage ke ekoina fraction e bagi method kha tam se ko sigi matung ina ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯁꯦꯕ so very basic the ABC day how type ko ABC so for whoever experience the class da yauriba hana da kisi kisi me aware over lerega so please listen to this for some time okay maybe you may have some confusion hojiki confusion do si class na mara mora noida clear oi ki basu yae ko khangdriba experiencing de adum phadana munna tabiro mayam yengse ko comment taw haibase okay so ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ fraction ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ fraction ꯁꯦ a by b ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦꯕ a ꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯊꯛꯁꯦ numerator ꯀꯧꯏꯀꯣ ꯃꯈꯥꯁꯤꯅ denominator ꯀꯧꯏ okay just for the name mathak makha hai na aikoina imagine taro se doesn't matter okay so chida hai ko a is what percent of b hai ko a se b si ka compare taro ne ba b si ki percentage kaya no hai ko percentage of b of ka thang nai se b oi ko means b si makha chakha ne hai ne a si mathak lai gani into 100% mayek se language sida comment apply tawne hai to tam se have ne ko next b is what percentage of a amaka yengbada b si a ki percentage kya no hai ko a ga off ka nak na re ko means a si makha la ni b si mathak ta b is what percent of a what percentage hai de multiply by 100 oi do ne ko so like this you have to do next si ki je a is what percent more than b a ga b ga se compare tawre ne ko sida man ha se a sina b dagi hel han greba ko means kya helin ha ne ko a minus b de kon e ne suina but makha da kai lak to no ba then b then ga nak na si b ne ko si b si lak ne kha da then a ha ga na e si makha lak to ne ba into 100% what percent ha ni na si oira ne ba next b is what percent less than a a ga b ga compare tawre ko kanana less oire b sina less oire ha ne ko means a minus b but makha da kana then a ga compare tawre ne ko a si makha la kane ure dana sida then a means a makha da then b makha da of a makha da so ko mainly koina mathak sidi iba ngam gane ba numerator se denominator sida soi ba gine ba ko answer si onthon jin ta ra se ko so a minus b by a into 100%. So when a fraction is even higher, so you are learning from the very basics. Then, chida percentage change hai reko. Suppose I question 20 have a value of okay. So 20 is 40 on greva. 20 change to 40. 20 the 40 the increase to greko. So say 20 the 40 who increase to the percentage kaya no increase to which hanging man. How much percentage has increased have nego so 20 the 40 is increased to plus kya no plus 20 hoega so 20 plus to gre ne hana kya number le ram me adda henglai no have do 20 le the 20 henglai ne ko so it come from 20 so 20 se makha mak tham gane means change to kya no 20 plus 20 initial value is na 20 the line hai ne so what percentage change have na into 100% so when I ko na percentage change ki putung ko yae ko percentage change da more than less than everything lone apply to ba chama na bane ko mathak te se lai riba concept se sigu mane okay just sida ina plus 2 hai ki bane ko 20 se 40 minus 20 and ta ga 20 ta ine ba ठीक है okay all right now average hai badi sida aingonda achapot chocolate chama le ko I have 100 chocolates okay noi class ta ngasi yaw si mi kya no mi 25 yaw ko 27 yaw just imagine 25 yaw hai se 25 students aspirant ko 25 aspirants so 25 aspirants later I want 100 chocolate later ठीक है aina average hai de kaino hai bada mi kun manga da chap mana na yen doi ne ba masing je ko aduga chocolate si chama se lo nen thok ne ba so how to do this kamen taw gani mi kun ma si chama na phangal lage mo ko lo ta en kra ge ha se ko en thok na ba to 100 se aina kun manga se divide tor ka ne ko okay so then how much I get 25 4 is 100 means one aspirant ge hana phang doi se 4 chocolate ne ba so every aspirant da chocolate mari pithok khib da ko aspirant kun manga se surab kan da ai chocolate chama se loi gane ba okay so this is called the average means loinak chama na yen thok pa kan da mi am da individual value kya phangino ha do okay so suppose da a se ki value se 20 ne ba b se ki value se 10 ne ba c se ki value se koina 60 tham se ko d se 10 tham se ba okay now sige either lupa kun le mana paira b na lupa tara 6 na lupa humpu d na 10 tara ko smina mai paisa smen paire ko then average se makoi de samana en thokan de average kya fangane hai done ba so how to do this che total da gane ko masing kya no hai da 20 plus 10 30 30 plus 60 90 90 plus 10 total is 100 on okay 100 rupees so mi kya dono en do is a b c d se mi mari ne ba ko divided by 4 means answer is 25 lupa kun manga yelo yen ta ga di lupa chama se moi mari da chama na phange ko sin average ha the most basic understanding of average is this okay so total ta raga mi masing da na divide to bakan the average phange hai do ne ko so shall we proceed further so ho gyan tar ban moi myam basic concept se please respond okay pyari asharani Shamsad Subhalakshmi Joy Kumar Goldie Jemina okay very good yare ko makhata se de so average yeng se ko sida answer budi yawre adu mayam ekoi pen and paper pai ta ga de si se try tawraga ekoi personal test ama taw se ko just first question se sida high is average of these numbers okay 3 4 7 8 10 12 hai ko so comment only have the is number is equal to plus tau gane 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 si plus tau gane ko number plus tau de total phang hai ni ko then makha da number masing jena divide tau rakane 1 2 3 4 5 6 number tau ni ko divide by 6 so if you do this addition tau rakanda that is 34 phang ko 34 6 divide tau rade 5.67 is the average of this sine ko si average me question de la hoye ba la tro si average ka me hot mo si khang da di kai to ni ha da answer ta nga moi di gi aki ba se nga maroi ba aina previous experiencing previous batch ta ke ba kan da theme ba experience mo hoi da hai ge ko hujik class how ta kai re na samai tawe experiencing ekoina sumena basic concept in nei nam tam da khang ba hai da khangi gyan ta na ko yes ta loi lai gre ba so yam sathi ba na difficult oi ba hai di loi applied oi ba zone after 6 7 class yo sala ba kan da loi gyan ta na masana so to ngam ma level da the average hot pa hiram dre the percentage se puthok pa hiram dre ba ko sai a by b into 100% je a ga b ga confusion on le ram ko so I was very hurt okay kari you know have that I yam nungai tana experience kha hai ba sigi se nokoi na ahan basic concept ta ai da fazana mun ta how da bagi oi ni hana ko adu khang da bra hanga ga so khangi hai ba adu I cannot help in that way okay means basics so khang da ga de khang hai la ni na you should tell that you are not able to understand have da ko then I can repeat and only help you gyan ta ko so wherever you have any doubt it is your duty as an aspirant everybody go khang da le ga de why how is it happening si kamela I know si gyan ta how the chemo khan you have it everybody should be doing that okay gyan ta ko ni to ba khang ai su khang ikai jere have ko I am not asking the question si thawok se taw da ne ko so just advice people ne ko so let's focus here again next average of some students numbers of the ages hai ko ma koi ki age se 12 13 11 12 13 section pi re ko ma ki average ki student is put hua hai ko so very easy 12 plus 13 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 7 plus of salane ko divided by the number of students see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 ko 108 divided by 9 means 12 years the answer ta hai ko sine average solve to bagi method sida average ki solve tabagi magi toan manung detail oiba laire ko adu ko na maths ki chapter da yengani but not here. Okay, now next fraction haibase sigi application je aina sumi yengbada di da application je ilite ko but si maths ki chapter da lakane 1 से 100% का माने को 1 by 2 से 50% का माने 1 by 3 33.33% का माने 1 by 4 25%, 1 by 5 20%, 1 by 6 16.66, 1 by 10 10%. See, Chimpapur so yeah. If you don't understand also it doesn't matter. Okay. Okay, no hiding is that. About 50% high was what is 50%? 50 by 100 I don't know. Is a cancellation 1 by 2 ta 1 by 2 is equal to 50%. Yeah, so 25% higher we can 25 out of 100. Okay. See 1 by 4 laega. See 1 by 4 is the lag, is the piece. Okay, so 25% की value से fraction don't talk target see what you have done ever go. So just a quick hand on yamna matam save to na hona bada memorize to get just cook the lie na ko. Memory de puthoga when matam se save to raga to question thousand by the adugi just for that utility only. Okay, but see approach it doesn't matter. Okay, whether you know this or not a problem. You just need to know how it comes. See comment lie hadu khanga di are ko dagi see ke mari le exam the question lagta raga okay 25% higher and 30% wo higher ko 30 by 100 see ira ko 3 by 10 wo do ne hai ba se see ko na to ne ba. Okay, and fraction की application जी अतोपा ratio then proportion के कारण लाखी का नहीं को so we'll focus that in that portion of the syllabus not here क्या है को then ratio दा a is to b है को चिने बा dot अनि से is to को a is to b है means a by b fraction दस में थोड़ा करने को then एक कोई ना सीधा मसले a by b equals c by d मैंने EV आ रहा दे एक बार ना से मैंने उनको पसी आया को कमेंट तो उन्हें है बता मैंने उनको लसी है E का D का मल्टीप्लाई तो रखा नहीं A into D equals B into C. Okay, C का नहीं चम आने फ्रैक्शन दे इधर से ये है मल्टीप्लाई तो रखा थम कर जो है क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन है वो कंसेप्ट होने से. Okay, and proportion have a concept like proportion to the tower will do in the maths portion. And after this one very important tools data interpretation the personally I know as far as I am as far as this UGC NET exam is concerned unitary method have a career like approach see approach na yam line different types of question the sin raga answer se tawa ya ko. So what is unitary method? I have said fingertips like from to ko. So let us see what is the unitary method. Okay, so when har pe ko koi chocolate cha ma da ko my amount se pa changa pi ha ane ba sidai chocolate na gi value putho ha ga how much ha da chocolate cha ma gi amount se koi na khanga dai chocolate manga gi amount se kya पैसा क्या चंगनी chocolate मंगा लई विदा है विदा सी क्वेश्चन ने हंगे. So if you know the value of a group of items then any other group of items or single group of items की value से कोई पुतो कोई आया है तो निको unitary method है इसी को. So let us look here. Okay, चले गए को चला है इसे 100 pen column pen चाम की amount से wait let me change the color. Okay, 100 pen की amount is 20,000 rupees. Okay, so what is the cost of 150 pens? So what to do this? How to do this? 100 pen की value से खंग तारगा दे 20,000 हाय को सीधा की कौन आहार कोलोमा की value से क्या मान पुतो करने को. So how to do this है बता 20,000 से थम्बीरा ने ये 100 से मखा divide तो करने से ना कोलोमा की value पाम तारगा दे. So after this, if you know the value of one pen, column tamang kay di yamla ito ekon just multiply to rolo 150 से multiply to करें means 20,000 by 100 into 150. Okay. Then you get the value is 30,000. Unitary method. So let us apply the same thing down here. If 17 plum costs 204 rupees, 17 plum की value है 204 rupees. So what is the value of 73 plum? ठीक है मान से क्या आना है देखो. कमेंट सॉल्व तो होगा It's very easy. 17 plum ले 1 plum की value को तो क्या आएगा 204 से 17 ने divide तो कर नहीं बा. Okay. So now मान हंगे 73 ने means 73 से ना plum से पुथो को 204 by 17 into 73. Okay. And once you do this, you get the value of 876. See answer हो इधर. Okay. Is it making sense to all of you? Am I going very fast? Please respond. Yes or no? Am I audible, everybody? Response below ko natradi kan continue to bulu nuaite. Subha Lakshmi. Okay. So there is one response. Shamshad. So let's continue further ko. Sige yamne to redo kara ai koi basic web process yang se tu ka lotion na batau se ko. Matam di am lo roi. Please stay with me, okay? So just the same thing you can apply here. Sima buy the 14 bags of wheat for rupees 168. Means 14 bags say 168 rupees. Now 1 bag of wheat ki value so kya ano hangin. Yam like reko. 1 bag ki hang agar di 168 sida 14 divide ta hoga answer ta reko. You do the cancellation. 14 1 is 14, 14 2 28, 12 rupees. Okay. So answer this is the unitary method. How do you live basic way same thing je kona complex question la abakan apply to wa hitraga jadu khang ma ko deko. You have not learned properly. Okay, so please pay proper attention. So all these things you can solve. Okay, I will give you this as homework or class work, whatever you want to do. Homework is samjhe ko kona class lo shilabakanda na koida PDF share to jarake adagi. Please try this. Okay, answer is already given here. You have to see. Try to answer tabra tabra habido. Khangi khang de habdo sida gyan tar ne ko answer taraga di khangi tadra di khang de ne ko. So same thing with this question also. Yeah ne ko. Again here also. Let us do this one. A man buy 2 dozen mango for 216. Okay. The 2 dozen mango here is it. What is the meaning of dozen? Dozen is the mango kya laye. If anybody know this, please tell me. What is the number of unit in the dozen? Dozen da poche lay the machine kya la kuno. Okay, 12. Very good. So 12 ne ko dozen da. Means 2 dozen hai gadi 2 dozen means 12 into 2 24 mango ni command lai je. Okay, so 216 rupees 24 mangoes lai ko. So what is the cost of 42 such mangoes? Okay, 24 mangoes for 216 rupees. Okay, 1 mango ki cost kya hoga ne 216 by 24. 42 mangoes ki na 216 by 24 into 42. Okay, so you will solve this and you will get this answer. So answer solve the next one, you can do this as homework. Very simple question Nico. All right. So average ki average male unitary method. Okay. So average this is a yaw. So we'll do this one or two stuff and we'll move to the next one. Average of A, B, C is 25 years. A, B, C. Average is 25 years. And that of B and C was 25 years. B got C got 25 years. So what is the present age of A? A present age put ho hai ne ko. So comment tau kani A, B, C average age se kun manga ne hai ko. Means what is the meaning? Moi se 25 to distribute to hai ne ko. Means total of A, B, C se 25 to 3 25 oi do ne ba. Moi age plus tau kan. So now sida B, C se mi ani ne ko. So I said 50 years phange ba ani sige. Then hori ba sida E ama henjal le ko. Man hai se E ki age ne. So sida 75 minus 50 to ta 25 ta hai ko. That same thing is the answer that they are giving here. 25, option number B. Okay. Average की next question चलो ये सीधा है average of 8 term is given to 40 number निपान लगेगा सीगी average 40 नहीं okay so 8 numbers average ना 40 average of first 6 terms is 35 okay 6 terms 6 numbers की ना 35 नहीं है what is the average of the remaining 2 terms lemhoriba ani terms to adugi average to kya no hangine ko so it's very simple ekon isi ki total value se put hoye ko adi number nipaning value se put hoye adu taruk se put hoga taruk se value do khaido khita aga de if you subtract the value of 6 numbers from the value of 8 numbers then remaining 2 numbers ki value the total value put hoga kame ko 2 value da amkai kon average hola gadam my answer average to phange hai so means 8 number ki total value is 40 into 8 never 4 8 जा 32 चलेगा को so मैंने 6 numbers की 35 है 35 into 6 को 6 5 30 6 is 18 21 चलेगा को now remaining 2 terms की average है देखो तो इसलिए हम होगा 2 terms की value से 2 terms की 320 minus 210 how much you are getting here 0 1 1 okay 110 से total से so see average of 2 terms ki put hokta agade 1 1 0 divided by 2 lakh ne ko see total ne ba that means you are getting 55 so this is the answer munna ye ga answer se gyan ta bra yengo I hope I am making clear to all of you please look at it any doubt any confusion so far from any aspirant later the rest of it I will clear your doubt no doubt 44 okay shall we proceed further makha question matang chala sira give your response okay Roni Asharani okay let's proceed the average dum lai jar sano ko percentage ki mathak ta khara yengre percentage concept question macha amani tang yeng se duga si skip taw se okay means we should not do everything now okay adu gi ne na sida you can do this in your free time answer so yaw bani ko sida answer se check tawraga tabra yengo haidani so percentage ki sida hai Bajaj scooter amagi percent price 25000 ne hai ko scooter ki price means 25000 it is 20% less than a LML scooter china Bajaj scooter ne okay then sida LML scooter am jale ko chigi jamana LML siga Bajaj compare to the Bajaj in 20% handai hai ko so what does it say Bajaj se ekoina 20 me ko 80 oragadi ML se 100 ko adi 80 se LML dagi 100 tagi 20% handai ko okay so you can consider like this means wait. 20% less than a LML scooter. sida harise Bajaj scooter se sisina hena honge haine ba ko. Okay, so means 25,000 se this is 100% of Bajaj ne ba magi cost to neba scooter se, but LML scooter se ne hen tang ko means LML scooter is magi 80% amount duga 25,000 se ga mane haine ba. Is it making sense? If LML is 20% costlier, then 80% ka mane organic ko LML ki term se pakanda. So today what's the price of LML scooter haine ba. LML scooter se jo amount ne pakanda ko na 80% 25,000 se ka mana ta ga 100% uli am lai re ko unitary method puthokro so 1% value pu be are 25,000 by 80 le re ko 100% of LML 25,000 by 80 into 100. Okay, then you will get this option number B. ये percentage के concept तो फजना ताके को ये कोई 180 यानी assume तो वही type से. This is very useful. Okay, ना तरगदी कोई less more and minus plus तो ले तो कांदा मतलब मांग बने को. Okay, like that. चिदा कहीं है next था village संगे population से increase तो है को 1,80,000 दगी 22,500 था. Decade am the high ko. What is the meaning of decade? Decade ki meaning khang bole ke high ro. What is the meaning of decade? How many years? Anybody?
10 years.
Okay, very good. 10 years ho gane ko. So decade means 10 years. Ma high se 22,500 se chi aur high ne 1,80,000 dagi. Okay, in the 10 years. So now se kya increase to rahi ye ngase ko. So 22,500 minus 1,80,0 ko 0,054 4,500 increase to in 10 years ne ba. Okay, mana hange sina per year of the village hai chahiye ma ki value hange ko. So when 10 na divide to kragani means 450 se increase to per year. But per year amount do hungry percentage tan lai se ko. Average percentage increase of population per year of that village is high ko. So 450 increase to every year. Okay, starting point se kari no karai deno increase to is from which amount, from this amount ne ko starting point se nasa ki percentage change ki question ne amu khane ye se ko sida mathak ta le hobo. Okay, where is it? Change by initial value है को. Change क्या था उकरे 4,500 change था 450 change था per year है. Initial value से अभी increase था उधर का अंदा population की amount से value क्या हो रहा है हाई दुनिया में को अभी कोई नहीं इधर से. Okay, so same stuff here. Apply तो वहाँ हो रहा है को. So now so 1,80,000 से ई करने वाला. Okay, into 100%. Then you will get the answer. Okay, 2.5 answer से ताने को percentage था. Alright, so like that it goes on. ये मैं आपसे solve तो भी आएगा. Now, ये just briefly मैं ये इंचा दो class question में बताओ से. Okay, so now सीधा यार ये question की format से जो मैं type ने को question लाए से. But this is very easy question. Asked sometime in 2018 or 19. Okay, so this kind of questions rarely लाएगा. यम लाइव क्वेश्चन तो लागते क्वेश्चन यम लाई दे हैव नो होजिक टफ ओय हैव नते बट नेचर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन डाटा मन पिरे बिसि कनेक्टिंग कदे ऑन थो लाएको. So means you need to be clear with all the basic concept. Average कमेना एकोने अप्रोच तवनी percentage ला आदि कमेना तवनी हैव द अदु small details तो खंग दगदे इन डाटा टेबल पिरे बा मागी डाटा दो एकोना convert तवरगा calculation तो बंगा मोइदने को. So because of that you need to be very clear with the basic stuff. But the same logic applies here. Okay, so मैंने तो इबा टेबल की concept से ला करने को इसलिए फिर ऐसे direct values पिथोक रहे value p देवदा ratio की value पिरक पगुम्बा then percentage value p पगुम्बा then sida hanghalaga ekoi fill in the blank type ta ko sineba ekoi table is makhal makhal lai hariba ko sida value is ire ko ato pa hangal thambo ko sida me sida ire si hangal le then si amaka hangal le si ire semenda missing data table ki type ta the main types of data tables lai ko so ratio ki base ta oiba missing data ki oda base ta oba percentage ta base ta oba then so in a proper values p ko so there are different ways of data table. Okay, so we'll complete all of those in our course. We'll complete ko so now see the basic question am itang to sida solution la ko ida hire se what is the question asking in the first one. Let me just remove this. The question is total expenditure of the item all item in 2008 is approximately what percent of total expenditure in 2012. Step 1 2008 A on a concept just imagine. Okay, china B on a concept. Okay, A is what percent of B neman hangese. A is what percent of B high the common equation fraction igani have the of B high ko means B is makha sakre A is mathak mere ko A by B into 100%. What does this mean? A is kaino 2008 ni ko B is na kaino 2012 ne haiba cinema hangese. So 2008 ki value se all the value have ne you will consider this simi am se ko sida expenditure yaw bra mathakta salary transport bonus yaw de ko simi am se plus taw de na si lere the value am fangane plus total values chumena 2012 ki su fangane ko. Okay, sine bai kanam haige ekoi question ji yeng drikan da data table da le se plus minus of ko ko ya bena please don't do that. Okay, first look at the question na demand to data do karam mongi data no plus darkar le minus darkar le have percentage la kai no have ha na yeng thok piyo ko yeng da bida ai na si swap to raga si lo si plus ta horage si plus ta horage so na kan ta horage ha it is just a waste of time. Okay, don't do like that. Data table yeng kan da question ha na yeng view question ni yeng kan da sida kari kai data da ka le no phajana le ra laitrebra kari convert to da ka le kari puthok da ka le da mun yenga puthok da ne ko that way you can save your time. Okay, so 2008 se ko plus hota agade I will just put the value here 342.5 se ho gane ko total ne tumena 2012 ki value se ko plus to baganda it will come as 520.75. Okay, so see any je ko na fraction the fit tawra answer sok to bi are ko 342.5 520.75 into 100%. Then you will get the values of answer say this one. Okay, roughly 66% values lakane ko exactly the oi de some approximation ta gane ko 0.65 something percent so lakane ko and this 100 ko multiply ta 66% la hai. Okay, like that you get this answer percentage. Okay, so this is how you solve the question. So now question number 2 sule ko approximate ratio between total expenditure of the company in year 2008 ka 2009 ga chine bhai se 2000 A ga B ga ratio to hai ga de A is to B hai ko chikai ga mana A by B ga mana hai chimana 2008 is to 2009 siman hange. Okay, so 2008 ki total se ekona value hojik find out tawre mathakta 342.5 fange ko then sumana 2009 gi total value se ekona puthok pakanda 408 ta gane. So now if you take the ratio means 342.5 408. Okay, see cancellation to we agane ko then you will get a value of 57 is to 68 57 by 68 ne chila kane. Okay, so I will solution बताओ से but before that ना कोई तो कहना हाई हो गया को इसी की बतांग दा कोई DI और maths की शुरुआत chapter तो बकांदा you need to have the study material with you. Okay, study material से कोई hard copy दो को कोई साइट ले एकदम ने क्वेश्चन से अदर ये yengga solve tawminagdabani ko means that akoina like se takpa kanda sigi kari se table se every time hangat hanta tawraga refer tawasi yam inconvenient oy ko adu kaiguma ai side ta student khudimang na side ta si lai ta ga de value si yengbagi question chen am tawroi ko and you will not depend on me for this table. Okay, so you need to have the study material with you. Hard copy do like ne soft copy do yaad re kaigna habda soft copy si akoina class u yeng do na da amaka data table yeng bodi yaroi ko ekoi device ani sudraga di haba. So that's why you really need the hard copy materials even for the other chapters. Okay, kaigna habda class tai ngai kanda high important points ko ki kai da akoina notes to mention the mayam sing do side is loba yae ko so that you can also use those points to remember revision the question na yae ko. So like that you should use the hard copy materials. The hard copy materials e koi preparation ta ko every base ta pitho e ko. So that is also being planned for this page no base ki chu pina plan ta udare ko. So that's what I want to say. Okay, so I hope that's all. It's been a long class. Ma'am, any doubt like anything question hangning well like the rest of you, otherwise that's all from my side. Any questions, any doubts, anything anyone have to say? Paper to the sociology class the road to 100 page. Okay, please contact me in personal message. Okay, I will answer your response in that message to WhatsApp the response. Okay, anybody have any other question?